Hi, I'm Lisa Cypers Kamen. People often come to me in my coaching sessions and workshops and ask me for the top 2 tips to get happy when you're not feeling so hot. And I tell people get out of their own way. Top tip number 1, if you're feeling blue, feeling unhappy, just stop. Hit the reset button. Quit whining. Stop with the pity party. Get out of your way. Number 2, do something for somebody else. If you're feeling unhappy, stop thinking about yourself and start thinking about the happiness of others. And it can be really simple. It could be buying the person behind you in line a cup of coffee. It can be putting a few coins in someone's expired meter. The idea is that you stop putting attention on what's wrong with your life and start putting attention on what is right with life. Hey, remember, you're breathing, so that's a good start. And it's a day-by-day process, minute by minute. If you can't find happiness in your days, then find it in your minutes. The bottom line is, happiness is an inside job. Happiness is your inside job.